A4 People Brock's the British Tech Guru. I'm going to do some fairly rudimentary testing of this and the microcontroller, see why things are not working. I'm really getting a little bit puzzled. Let's see. That proves that the microcontroller is still working and still programmed, so we're good there. Right, now I've plugged the 9-volt battery. No, I haven't yet. There we go. Plugged the 9-volt battery into this circuit, and what I'm expecting to see is round about 9 volts. If I go there, 8.98, that sounds pretty good. 8.73, the other side of the diode. Okay, so we're going to be lost there. And what about here? 8.73 there. That is 0 as expected. What about if I put that there? 8.96. 0.8. Hang on, what? It's changing. 0.82. That seems a little bit strange. Okay, let's put the on this. The power pins for 0.02. Again, very strange. I don't know. I'm going to say those are phantom readings. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. So let me change this over to resistance. And we'll see what this resistor comes up as. Why am I getting no resistance? Is that resistor blown? Or am I just not getting... Well, I must be getting a contact to be getting a reading. 0. Okay, so let me move it this way a little bit. 0, 2. 0, 4, 4. 47 ohms. That's about right. Okay, so we're good there. I'm going to try this one. Come on, read. 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 Okay, we're getting... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Let's try and read it from the other side. I have no idea what's going on there. That should be a 1K resistor. Well, let me see if I put that connector there. I have no idea what's going on. That's better. 0.96. Ah, good. 1K resistor, and that is working. Right. Now the question is it this transistor that's not working? And I know it worked one time, and then apparently not again. So the transistor could have blown. That's a pain in the neck. I've got another transistor. I didn't put a diode across it, which I believe I should have. So it could well have blown. But it didn't blow the previous time. So, I don't know. And it's, oh, this is a pain in the neck. But then, you know, I'm somebody that never ever trained in electronics. I trained in computers. And this is why I get so many issues doing electronics. But on the other hand, I want to do it and I'm trying. And everybody started from ground zero. I'm a little bit above ground zero, but not very far above. So I'm trying with this. And I'm going to get there, even if it might take me a while.